Buongiorno, baddies. Welcome back to another video. Today's first question is, square tiles 9 inches on a side exactly cover the floor of a rectangular room. The border tiles are white and the other tiles are all blue. The room measures 18 feet by 15 feet. 18 feet by 15 feet. How many tiles are white? So 18 feet, 15 feet. And since our tiles are given to us in inches, we can convert the sides of our rooms into inches as well, just to make our job doable. So 15 times 12 inches. This is 18 times 12 inches. So I'm not going to solve for these two yet. We're going to continue on in our thought process first. And since if we draw out the border of this room, and since it's asking how many tiles are white, this means that it's just asking for the border. If we actually draw out the border, you'll see that the corner tiles of the room actually overlap. And this means that when we actually solve for the border, we can't actually just take the number that we get afterwards. We still need to subtract the corner tiles one more time to make sure that we only count it once. So if we write our equation, it'll look something like, since it's square tiles 9 inches, so this means that it's 18 times 12 plus 15 times 12. So this is just the bit of the room. And since there are this side, this is only 1, and this is only 1, there are this side and this side as well. We have to multiply by 2, and then we divide by 9. And at the very end, we have to subtract our final corner tiles, which is subtract 4. So if we actually do our equation, we're going to pull out our 12. So 24, 18 plus 15 over 9 minus 4. Now we can simplify. So this is divide by 3, so 8. This is 3, divide again, 6. And divide this by 3 as well, so 5. So this is basically equivalent to, I'm going to have to shrink this a little bit, underestimated the size. Scoot. This is basically equivalent to 8 times, so 6 plus 5, which is 11, so 88 minus 4, which is then equivalent to 84. Therefore, the tiles that are white are 84 of them. Moving on to problem number 2. And please don't be thrown off by the amount of letters you see in this problem. They're actually just side lengths, so it's not actually that much to worry about. But, just don't be too shocked, okay? There is a trick to this. ABC is an equilateral triangle. ABUVWXYZ is a regular octagon, and BCMNO is a regular pentagon. The triangle is outside both the octagon and the pentagon, but shares a side with each. If the perimeter of BUVWXYZACMNO is 160, then what is the perimeter of ABC? So, I know that this probably looks terrifying right now, but there's actually a trick to this. As you can see, if you look closely, the regular octagon and the regular pentagon have the same side vertices as our very, very sided shape here. And since our triangle is outside both the octagon and the pentagon, and they are both regular, this means that all the sides of this shape are also equivalent. And that means that the sides of this shape are also shared with ABC. Since it's also the sides of this shape is also shared with the regular octagon and the regular pentagon, and the regular octagon and pentagon share sides with ABC. Therefore, if we actually look at this and count how many sides our big number has, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That means that since each side is the same, we get 160 divided by 12. So dividing by 4, top and bottom, we'll get 40 over 3. And this is perfect, because our equilateral triangle, one has 3 sides, and each side is the same. Therefore, 40 over 3 times 3 for each side is then equivalent to just 40. Therefore, the perimeter of ABC is 40. So you don't actually even need to know what the regular octagon and the regular pentagon are, but we could solve for it using this thing as well, if we wanted to. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys learned something new, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye-bye!